Hi, I'm just Two Hands, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of this Rework station from Amazon. This Rework station costs €98.55. The link will be in the description down below if you're interested in buying this for yourself. So let's get into it and take a look inside the box. Okay, so we have the instruction manual. We have some attachments for the heat gun. 1, 2, 3 different nozzles. We have a holder that will screw onto the side of the unit. Actually have 4 attachments, another one in the bag there on its own. And we have a holder for the soldering iron. A small magnifying glass with LED lights on it. We have the soldering iron. Also included is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tips for the soldering iron, and also the heat gun that's attached to the unit. Okay, so take a look at the unit itself. So it's quite a small Rework station, actually a lot smaller than what I thought. Okay, so I'll just give a closer look at the Rework station. So you have 2 different displays on each side, one on the left for the soldering station and the one on the right for the Rework station. You have your minus and your plus temperature both sides. You have the fan control knob in the middle for adjusting the speed of the fan. You have your on and off switch, and then the connection for the soldering iron. I'm not too sure what these buttons are for. You'll have to read the manual yourself to find out. Could be to save a program or something like that. Closer look at the side of it, and this must be where the LED light magnifying glass will attach to it in here. And you get 4 little foam pad feet on the bottom. I'll just take a closer look at the soldering iron. So the soldering iron it's not too big, it's quite standard size, light enough. And the soldering iron also comes with another tip, so that would be 6 tips in total. So 1 in the soldering iron and you get another 5 in the packet. Okay, so I'm going to go and try and move some of these components on this PCB board just to see how it does, and we will start with the soldering iron first. Trying to see how you set this now. So soldering iron. Okay, I see there must be a little power switch to set it up. So we'll put up to about 350 Celsius. Okay, so that's saying 350 Celsius now. I'm going to try remove 2 of these capacitors here on the board. So just add a small bit of flux. And a small bit of leaded solder. Okay. Oh, my apologies, I done the wrong side of the same capacitor. So I'll just do that again. This leg is loose though. And you can see for yourself, the capacitor just basically fell out on its own, so that is so far so good. I'll just do the other one. And another capacitor straight out just like that. So that was nice and fast, I have to say. Okay, so that's the soldering iron. I'll just go ahead and pour one of these back in. So I'll just resolder one in. And there we go. Let's give a closer look at that solder. So that's a nice job, nice shiny solder. So I have to say it's a real good job for the soldering iron. Okay, so next I want to test out the heat gun, whether when you put it at a certain tightness it will kind of slot on for you then. So I don't think you'll have to like screw it tight on all the time. Hope not anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try remove this MOSFET here with the hot air gun. And it's set to 350 Celsius. I'll just bring the airflow up a small bit. And there we go, MOSFET is removed. So that was the unboxing and review of this Rework station from Amazon. And if you're interested in buying this for yourself, you will find the link in the description below. See you in the next one.